Morning everybody, bit of a video for you. This is the Ferguson 4-wheel drive Zephyr I bought. I don't know what you know about them or whatever. They looks just like a normal Zephyr, but it's got big differences. It's got a Mustang front end, all inner wings completely different. Cars had a lot of work many years ago when John had it in somewhere, a lot of welding, but it's just got surface rust all over it. Obviously it's that amount of time it's been standing, but it's all new panels. I am a little bit undecided whether to dip this car or blast it at the moment, but must be a bit different up front chassis as well, because I've noticed that lower panel fix on it looks slightly different. That's obviously where your drive shaft comes through, and this till I strip it off it'll be a bit like an archaeology job, I suppose. I don't know what Ferguson have done or what, because it looks a bit agricultural, what I can see. If we go inside, obviously transmission tunnel's a lot bigger because it's taking power takeoff off box. But there's just seems to be bits added on it. So it looks a bit rough and ready, but that's how it was made, that's how it was made. I may dip this car, I don't know yet, because there's quite a bit of corrosion in alcoves and that, and could have it treated again with a zinc coat and then up repairs what I need. It's had a hell of a lot of panels. Outdoors, I know it's had sills, it's had back wings, but he's only took them hooked at vents, and his joggled joints over, which I'm not a big fan on, but we'll see. It's all... Well, luckily I think I've got all critical bits I need for four-wheel drive. But as you can see, it's something... Well, obviously John must have spent on it big style. It's just a shame he never got round to finishing it. But I suppose time just passes by. We managed to have a deal, so there's a bit of badness under the scuttle panel, but I have to cut scuttle panel off and nail that, so it's not very good under there in places, but they're all good. That's your gearbox. Here's your take off. Here's your sign. It'll be interesting, but obviously all this be stripped completely. I'll rebuild box. They're not really difficult at auto boxes. And everything vapor blast will be like brand new. That's back end. I've got new arms, I've got new bushes, I've got discs, I've got calipers, I've got everything really. There's your sump for your front drive, because car had a cracked block, but I've actually got a Ford brand new block in a crate still, so that's what it'll get built onto. New tank for it, a new bonnet. Looks like it's been bashed about in storage though. There's a bit of work on corners. Pair of wings for it. A set of doors to rub bits and pieces that I need. So, also got its original centre switch gear. I was looking at ashtray and there's some police paperwork. Bit of an old sick note thing or a duty thing. And then even under here, it's even got a relay in. Must have been obviously for, I don't know, whatever. It has got its original top cowl on, so I'll have to have that remanufactured. I'll get it done. Then obviously rubber mats for it. And if we have a bit of a quick stroll over the other side, we've got a load of boxes I took down for John, and he's done me a smashing job boxing everything up. I've got the task of just unravelling it. Like I said to you earlier, it's a bit like opening a tomb up or a fair, or just find out what's there, what's not there, what's missing. I mean, original dash. There's hot clocks. There's just such a lot to go through, but thought you might want to see a bit of a video on it. There you go, and obviously, hopefully you'll see it car when I've restored it. Start using it. Catch you all later anyway. Bye for now.